We're now going to look at the last effect we have in CorelDRAW, and that's the Extrude Effect or the Extrude tool. Now this will help you create a 3D effect on your images or in your text in CorelDRAW. Now let's create a shape, create a rectangle or a square, and then let's add a color to it. And then I'll select the Extrude tool and then just click and drag like so. So you can see we've created this 3D effect to this shape. If we come back here, you can see we have these properties that we can work this. The first one is the type of extrusion that you want, so you can change it from over here. The other one is the depth of the extrusion effect, so you can reduce this or increase it. And then we have these other effects over here. You can change the color, so the color that you're using currently. So that is the effect of the 3D color effect. So we have all these effects that you can work with and see how they work. So let's try and see what this will look like if you're working with text. So with the text selected, I'll click on this and just come here, click and drag, and we have this effect. So Control Z first. Let me just resize this, then let's apply the Extrude Effect. Come over here, change the color of the effect. Now you can see the effect that we've added to the text. Again, we have presets that you can come and use. Control Z. Let's try this. So we have presets over here that you can use. Same with the text. You can change the depth of the effect and the directions from over here. So go ahead and work out with the other properties that you have and with other objects and shapes in CorelDRAW and see how this will work out for you.